Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response for Cara Corners. She is currently having a challenge. It's called Shop Your Stash and Let's Craft 2021. And for January, the theme is friendship. And this week you're to show a friend that you care. And we were making a do-it-yourself mini pocket booklet. You had to use 12 by 12 paper pad that has never been used, any die shape. It had to have a brad, a butterfly cut or sticker, word stamp with the friendship theme, a closure, and some kind of ticket. So let me show you what I used. So from Spellbinders, I used this die set. From Cat Scrappiness, I used this die. From My Favorite Things, I used this really cool stamp set. It's called About New Beginnings. From My Favorite Things, I used Sassy Pants Best Friend stamp set. And from La La Land Crafts, I used the Good Vibe Only stamp set. I also used the Alternate Layered Wood Flower die set. Now, I did not have a 12 by 12 paper pad that I had not used, so I just used paper from my stash. And so here is my mini booklet, mini pocket booklet. I had it turned the wrong way. And so on the front here, you see the Alternate Layered Wood Flower die set. Here's my brad as my closure. I used this elastic string in gold. And here's the back side with the flower, the leaf. And so for my booklet, I didn't want the edge to show, so I had this, extra paper, so I just folded it over so it would close looking really pretty. When you open it up, there's the stamp set from La La Land's crafts that I used with the phrase mind over matter. And then on this side, this would have been white paper back, the back side of the paper. So I just went ahead and attached some of the polka dots so it'll be pretty when you open it up, not that big white strip. And then when you open up here, here's one of the sayings. It says the beginning is always today. And there's my butterfly. You turn it over again and it says nothing changes if nothing changes. And I used a cute little bow from Maggie Holmes. And this is Maggie Holmes paper that I used also. Flip it over, it says live for today, and there's a ticket. This comes from the Carousel collection from Maggie Holmes. And then we come to the back side with the second flower. Also incorporated are two pockets. This first pocket here, I used my little circle punch, scallop circle punch, and just punched out a little section here so you can pull it up. I won't pull this one all the way up because it's a personal message that I wrote. So we'll put that back in there easily. I had trouble with this, but there it goes. And then the second pocket is here, and I used the same scallop punch to put that in here. And then this is the little saying that I used. We've been friends for so long, I've forgotten which one of us is the bad influence. It's probably you. My friend will get a really big kick out of that. And then that slides in there. It's my first time making something like this with the pocket, and I have to be really mindful of the glue that you use or the tape that you use, because, you want your pocket item to be able to slip in and out easily. So that's my booklet, and once again there's the remaining pages, and then you close it with the flap on the inside so you have a smooth looking little booklet. And then you put your string, sorry if I was out of focus there, out of the picture frame there, and that's it. So check out Cara Mia's Corner, and maybe join the challenge next week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.